Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Yoga can be a great tool to help boost your motivation and energy levels when you're feeling unmotivated. It can help clear your mind, release tension, and increase circulation, all of which can contribute to a more positive outlook and increased motivation. Here's a yoga sequence that can help. Child's pose, Balasana. Start in a kneeling position and gently sit back on your heels, reaching your arms forward and lowering your chest towards the floor. This pose helps to calm the mind and release tension in the back and neck. Cat, cow pose, Marjarasana. Come to a tabletop position and alternate between arching your back, cow pose, and rounding your back, cat pose. This movement helps to warm up the spine and release any stiffness. Downward, facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From the tabletop position, lift your hips and straighten your legs, forming an inverted V shape with your body. This pose helps to energize the body and stretch the entire back and legs. Warrior II, Virabhadrasana. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge and extend your arms parallel to the floor, palms facing down. This pose can help build strength and confidence, boosting your motivation. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Stand on one leg and place the sole of the other foot on the inner thigh or calf of the standing leg. Balance with your hands in prayer position or extended overhead. This pose encourages focus and stability, promoting mental clarity and determination. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips towards the ceiling, interlacing your fingers under your back. This pose helps to open the chest, stimulate the abdominal organs, and reduce fatigue. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and fold forward, reaching for your feet or shins. This pose stretches the spine and hamstrings, promoting relaxation and calmness. Corpse pose, Savasana. Lie down on your back, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Allow your body to completely relax and let go of any tension. This final relaxation pose helps to integrate the benefits of your practice and rejuvenate your mind and body. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.